Hey everybody, it's Mott's RC here. Just wanted to get out while we had some sunlight. It's not too cold, it is 30 degrees out here. Show you this Arrma Gorgon on a 3S, 4S system. We have a 3S battery in here right now. So let's get it turned on and run it for 2-3 minutes. See what we got going on, make sure it's going. I got a wheelie bar and some skid plates coming in the mail. So as soon as we get those, we'll get them on there. We got it on 100%, steering wheel. Let's pop a wheelie. Everything rips now. Woo! And there goes the body. There's the body getting crunched on my foot. It's a little powerful. Definitely needs a wheelie bar. What do you guys think? It's no joke on 3S. We added a fan in there. Ooh, look at it. It hops. Get right into the camera mount. That thing scoots now. Ooh-wee. That trigger, it wants to flip over. For you there. Smashed the body so hard, right into the on-off button. Oh, flipped her over here. Once I get my skid plates on there and that wheelie bar, that kind of stuff's going to be a lot more fun. thank you guys for checking out the Arrma Gorgon 3S, 4S system. I love that thing. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe if you're new here, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Share this video with a friend and bring them in. Mots RC out.